Hey everyone, it has arrived. What I've got here is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This phone comes in 4 variations of titanium: natural, blue, white, and black. The version that I've got is white titanium 512 gigabytes. So let's open this up and take a look at this brand new phone. Okay, here we go. Just look at that. Wow. That is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max in white titanium. So that is everything that you get in the box. You get an Apple sticker, you get some cards telling you about iPhone, the SIM ejector tool, and a white braided Type-C to Type-C cable, which is about 1 meter long. This is a good cable to get you going, but it doesn't look too thick or durable. I'm not sure it will last the test of time, but that's what you get. There is no charger in the box, so that is something you will have to provide. But the most important thing in the box is, of course, the phone itself. And this new iPhone 15 Pro Max looks excellent. It really does look beautiful. And it really does feel light in the hand as well. You know, Apple have been making a big deal about the fact that this is titanium, that it's so much lighter than last year's iPhone 14 Pro Max. But in comparison to my Samsung Fold 4, which is quite chunky, this is super, super light. It really is. So we've got the power button, which I'll press just now. And then at the side here, we've got the new action button, the volume rocker, the SIM tray, and then the Type-C port at the bottom next to the speakers. That's where the Type-C cable will go in. So that's it, guys. This has been the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I just wanted to give you a quick look at this new phone. If you've enjoyed the video, please click like and please subscribe to the channel, because I've picked up a case. I've got some other cases coming, and I've got some other iPhone and Apple accessories coming as well. So if you're into Apple, if you're into iPhone, please do subscribe. I've got more iPhone videos coming up. But that is it, guys. This has been the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max white titanium, and my lights are kind of making this look a funny color, but this looks amazing in person. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so please do leave a comment below, and until next time, take care.